Hello, young man. How are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine. And you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. What's your name?
My name is Jubair.
Okay, mashallah. Your name is Jubair. Where are you from?
I am from Shukipur.
Shukipur. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Dulal Mia.
Okay, mashallah. What does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Farmer. Okay, mashallah. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Rina Begum.
Reena Begum. What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Homemaker. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
Yes, I have two father and no sister.
Okay, mashallah. What's your village name?
My village name is Shukipur.
Shukipur. What's your union name?
My union name is Baropara.
Baropara. What's your upazila name?
My upazila name is Daudkandi.
Daudkandi. What's your district name?
My district name is Daud Kumilla.
Kumilla. What's your division name?
My division name is Chittagong.
What's your capital name?
My capital name is Dhaka.
Dhaka. Okay, mashallah. Excellent performance. What's your country name?
My country name is Bangladesh.
Bangladesh is your country. What's your religion name?
My religion name is Islam.
Islam. Thank you.
You are most welcome.
Welcome. Mashallah. Excellent performance, Jubair.